So back again. You'll have to bear with me voice. It's a bit hoarse. Right. Headliner. Obviously we know they're a big problem with them. I've dusted this. Mine broke into quite a few pieces. I'm going to use the main what technically people use, just a paper mache all over it pretty much to give it a good bit of strength. Just getting it in the car really once it's up there and secured, it's not going anywhere. So with the bigger bits I have made a concoction up really. I had some of this filler left over, fibre fill. So obviously that's quite a lot of fibres in it, which is quite good to glue together. So I've used that. I also put a bit of the hardener left over the lacquer. It's just mainly to water it down and give it a good mix around so you can paint it on, and then use the hardener that came with it. Came to a nice paste and used the paintbrush to paint it on. A sort of bit of a mess, see how it goes. It might set, it might not. But, the first bits over there and there have gone hard already, so it's a bit cold now at the moment. It's like 15 degrees. So I'll leave that to set overnight. If that's set solid, that's good. And then I'm going to get some, probably pick a couple of litres of PVA glue from Hobbycraft or something. Give this a wipe over, and then just get a towel on it with the old paper mache. And then once that's nice and solid, at least I can store it out of the way. I can unravel the material that's in there, give that a clean up, and hopefully just use some carpet adhesive from Screwfit or something, spray that back on. So see how that turns out.